So in this one, we are going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to write out and evaluate, they call, these recursive rules. So this says a of 0 equals 1. So in this case, I am starting on a 0 term, which up until now we haven't really done. So a of 0 is my first term. A of 1, this is how you do it. This right here, you're going to take the prior term, which in this case is 1, and add 4 to it, which is 5. Then you get to a of 2, you now take that prior term 5 plus 4 equals 9. The next one, 9 plus 4 equals 13. 13 plus 4 equals 17. And then a of 5 is 17 plus 4 equals 21. All right? These are the terms you guys are seeing come out of this. You must have both pieces in order to solve this. The way you build out your terms is looking at your prior term. You're starting with this a of 0 or a of 1 in some cases, and then you're moving from there. So you must have your prior term correct in order to get the next term right. So let's look at B. B says I have f of 1 equals 1. So that's the first term that I'm starting with. And then it says over here that this is 3 times f times n minus 1. So what you're going to do for f of 2, it's going to be 3 times my f of 1 term, which is 3. Notice how you're not plugging in the 2, which is like the value term. You're plugging in the prior output. So f of 3 is 3, which I get from there, times my prior term, which just happens to be 3. Right? If you're having a hard time seeing it like that, I can write it out in the sense that we've got f of 4 equals 3 times f of n minus 1, which is my prior term. So that's f of 3, which now I can say that's 3 times 9, which is 27. F of 5 is 3 times 27, which is 81. And f of 6 is 3 times 81, which is 243. So there are a couple ways to do it. However, once again, you must use the prior term. All right, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys an example I want you to try on your own to write the first 6 terms on the next video. So do not skip this one. This is going to help you get to the homework and be successful in the homework.